How to connect Phantom Wallet to Bullx. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can connect Phantom Wallet to Bullx. So let's get started. First of all, open your Bullx account and then click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. So once you click on these three lines, you'll be able to see options like this. So you have to click on Wallet Manager. So once you click on Wallet Manager, you'll be able to see an interface like this in front of you. So what you have to do is click on Withdraw Wallet over here and then click on Add Wallet. So once you click on Add Wallet, you'll be able to see like this that says New Withdraw Wallet. So you can select a wallet type over here. You can set it to anything like Solana. I've set it to Solana, or you can set it to EVM. And then you can type down a wallet name. Let me write wallet 1. And now here you have to type down the wallet address. In order to get your wallet address, you have to go back to your Phantom wallet and then click on Receive over here. So once you click on Receive, you can select any of the token which you have selected over here. So you can see I've selected Solana. So I'm going to come here and select Solana. So over here, just click on Solana and you can either scan the QR code or you can copy the code from here or share it to anyone else. So let me just copy the code. So once you copy the code, you'll have to go back to your Bullx account, and now over here you have to enter the wallet address. So just type in the wallet address or just paste it, and after that just click on Add Wallet. So once you click on Add Wallet, you can see that there is written New Withdraw Wallet take 3 hours to be completed. And now after 3 hours, it is pending right now, and after 3 hours your Phantom wallet would be set. So that is basically how you can connect Phantom wallet to Bullx. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.